Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an device manager error code 43 that Windows has stopped this device because it has reported problems. Let's fix it guys. First thing I would suggest doing be to disconnect all of your USB devices from your computer and then reconnect them off your device, as well as you just need to restart your computer. After doing it, check your problem solved or not. If you're still having problem, then you just need to right click on the start icon and select device manager. You just need to go back whatever the device was getting you this error, and you just need to right click on it and select disable device and select as, and now you just need to enable it guys. By doing this, we are just re-enabling it guys, and select action tab and select scan for hardware changes. Hopefully at this point your problem will be resolved guys, but if you're still having problem, then you just need to right click on it and select update driver and select browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from available drivers on my computer. You just need to select the generic. In my case this device is different guys, but you just need to select generic one, and after selecting it, select next and select close it off here. And you may also want to consider going on to the manufacturer website and see if there are new drivers available directly from them. It's certainly a possible solution I would take a look into. They will have the most up-to-date drivers, and assuming it's a modern device you are having the problem with, it's not something that's 20 years old. There could also be an error with the device itself as a physical problem, which is certainly possible, in which case a software based solution will not resolve that. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.